Tonight, this evening, I'm going out doing some more training. This time, just gonna go for an overnight. So I'm gonna hike up about 2,000 feet, set up camp. I think by the time I set up camp, probably pretty dark. Not, it'll be dusk. And then just camp out, go home the next day. Really not too far away from home. Wanted to try out my backpack and some of my gear, overnight gear. Got a really late start. Didn't expect to do this. Last minute decided it was a good idea. I made it to the ridge. You can see the sun setting behind me. So I'm gonna just walk up a little ways, set up camp, and then hunker down for the night. It'll take me a little bit to set up camp. I've got to dig out a square so I'm not on top of the soft snow. Just pitch the tent, and I'll be set to go, I think. All right, so I am in the tent now. It's about, I think about 7 at night. Took a while to get the tent up. I had to flatten the ground. The sun went down. Getting those stakes were really hard because the snow was so soft. So I ended up using my ski poles for 2 of the stakes. I have a sleeping bag that's pretty warm. So I think I'll be okay tonight. And then this poofy coat that I have, it just keeps me really warm as well. I probably wouldn't camp here normally because it's just right where the wind is coming. But I don't think tonight will be that windy. And I wanted to wake up to a beautiful view, perhaps document the sunrise, because the sunrises here are absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna cook some dinner. I'm not really that hungry, but I brought top ramen. I love ramen noodles, especially when I'm backpacking. Even at home, I love ramen noodles. So what I'm gonna do tonight is I'm gonna put my boot liners in my sleeping bag and I'm gonna sleep like that. And what it does is it gets a little bit warm and then you wake up and they're not as wet, because when you hike all day, you know, your boots are wet from the sweat. And so I sleep with the liners inside my bag, and then it gets a little bit less wet. Something I didn't bring, shoes to go outside and go to the bathroom during the night, because I usually have to go to the bathroom. What I usually do, and this kind of sounds weird, I bring a bottle and it's a pee bottle. And so I don't have to go outside in the night. I just pee in the bottle, because you don't want to go out in the cold. When it's so cold at night, the last thing you want to do is leave your tent. So what I do here is when it's done boiling, I have this cozy system. I put that on, and then it basically cooks it all up. I brought this book too. Let me know what you think of it. The Call of the Wild. Let's see if this is ready to eat. Ooh, still steaming. Hot. I think we're ready. Another trick you can do if it gets really cold is heat up some water, pour it in an Nalgene bottle, and then sleep with that. Heats up your sleeping bag really well. All right, well, I'm gonna go to bed. It's been a pleasure. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Get some skiing in.